Synchrony Bank Discount Tire Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a frequent driver or just need a reliable way to manage tire purchases, the Synchrony Bank Discount Tire app promises convenience, but is it the right fit for you? One of the biggest pros is financing flexibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only a store payment tool. The app allows you to apply for the Discount Tire credit card, manage your account, view balances, and track payment schedules all in one place. You can make payments directly through the app and even set up alerts to avoid late fees. Another advantage is organization. You can view recent purchases, monitor promotional offers, and track service history for tires and wheels. For anyone who regularly rotates or replaces tires, this makes maintenance much simpler. Notifications and reminders ensure you never miss a payment or discount opportunity. However, there are cons. Interest rates on promotional financing can be high if balances aren't paid in full, so it's essential to understand terms. Some users report occasional login or connectivity issues. The app is best suited for frequent customers. Casual buyers might find the features more than they need. In conclusion, the Synchrony Bank Discount Tire app is a helpful tool for managing financing, tracking purchases, and taking advantage of promotions. The surprising truth is that while it's convenient, responsible payment habits are key to avoiding hidden costs. If you're looking for a centralized way to handle tire purchases, financing, and account management, this app can make your life easier and help you stay on top of vehicle maintenance.